This is Novo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. My brother, how do you feel about the game here vandaag?
My brother, first of all, I would like to thank you for interviewing me.
Hey, Chada.
That is what is very important.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Hey, Chada.
First of all, I, as a Kaizer Chiefs fan, I'm coming from a very desperate drought. First of all, it was a drought that I'm coming from.
Yeah.
I won against Cape Town City.
Yes.
I bet them 1-0.
Yeah.
That was the first thing. Then we lost 2 games. Saturday was here in Soccer City. I won 3.
Amazulu, yeah.
I won 3 against Amazulu.
Exactly.
Then
Yeah.
Wednesday I went to Cape Town. I won 2
Yeah.
against Cape Town City.
Against Stellenbosch.
Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
Now I'm very disappointed today against Sundowns because I was hoping to win, but my players, they lost concentration, they lost focus at the end of the beginning, at the end of the game.
Yeah.
Thank you, brother.
No, thank you very much. Then, what do you think about your first half? Because I feel that maybe Chiefs wanted to, keep the clean sheet the way they were defending. But according to you, how do you feel about that first half? Because second half they started, going forward, but first half.
My first half. I believe in Molifi Ntseki. People, they don't believe in him.
Yeah.
That is a brilliant coach. First of all, my first half,
Yeah.
I saw the way they did defend
Yeah.
in the middle of the park. I'm talking about the middle of the park. So after the middle of the park, we draw. I'm quite disappointed because we did park the pass. We did park the pass in the first,
Yeah.
but we came back, brother.
Yeah.
You'll never run away, Mister.
Yeah.
Never run away from the fact that Kaizer Chiefs is playing brilliant football now. We're scoring goals.
Yeah.
That is important. We are scoring important goals. We scored the goal, but my defense disappointed me.
Yeah.
But my man of the match was my goalkeeper.
Goalkeeper Peters.
Thank you.
No, thank you very much. All the best. Second round, yeah.
Thank you.
Hey, Chada.